All right. Yeah, I mean, it's snowing here. It's starting to come down in lots of different places right now.
Yes, and actually my daughter was upset earlier this week because it was that light fluffy snow, so she couldn't build a snowman. But now we're tapping into some heavier moisture, and it's good snowman. With all the kids off of school, build some snowman, get outside and enjoy a little bit of it if you can. It's certainly fun with the kids. That kid is cracking me up. So again, view outside, low visibility. The snow is still going strong out there. We have our first alert weather day today and through tomorrow morning, thanks to the really heavy snowfall that's out there. And this storm just won't quit. It's been with us since Tuesday. So again, we have all of the snow out there. There's a few breaks in some areas out on the eastern plains. That doesn't mean you're done just yet. And we're actually seeing a bit of a wraparound now heading up into parts of northwestern Colorado. As we zoom on into the Denver area again, there are a few dry areas out there, but for the most part, there's steady, moderate to heavy snowfall here in the metro area, even up into parts of Fort Collins right now, Estes Park, Ward, Winter Park. So there's a shift moving into some of those mountain areas, but it is continuing to be the southeastern part of the state that is getting the brunt of this storm. Historic snow for areas like Lyman and out toward the eastern plains. So it again is just continuing to pile up. And a wider look here, we talked about this at the beginning of the show. This area of low pressure, it was a cutoff low, which means it had disassociated from the jet stream, so it had no driving force with it. So it ended up setting up near Albuquerque, and now it's swinging up. You can see the center of that circulation there. So it's picking up moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and whipping it right into our area. So that's why the snow is a bit heavier now. It's a little bit more moisture rich. It's better for those snowmen out there. So again, that's why we're starting to see an influx of moisture even as this storm continues to leave our area. So some snow totals for you. Monument with 13 inches of snow. Canyon City just about 13. The Divide about 12 inches of snow. Or DIA now officially at 9 inches of snow. So again, piling up out there. And some new snow totals for you. Black Forest with 17 inches of snow. Elizabeth 17. Same with Ponderosa Park. Lone Tree just about 14 inches of snow. And DIA is officially at 9 inches of snow since Tuesday evening. So really piling up, and we are certainly not done. There's going to be a lot more out at the airport. Let's take a look at some other snow totals for you. Near Levita Pass, 37 inches of snow. Beulah with almost 29 inches of snow. Trinidad with 23, and Flagler and Calhoun out on the eastern plains, about 21 inches of snow. And again, we are not done yet. There's still a long way to go in terms of the snow. So we have winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in place. The Denver area could see about 8 to 16 inches of snow. That 1 to 3 feet moved a little bit, but it's for parts of eastern Colorado. And then up to the north, about 2 to 8 inches of snow. Fort Collins, Greeley area, and southern Colorado still could see up to a foot or more in many, many areas. As we look at our super 7-day forecast, we are looking at temperatures to get back to the 50s by Sunday, but we are still going to be on the snowy side through Saturday until probably about 12 o'clock.